Let's quickly take a look at the way that you recover your Chatgpt account. If you lost access to your Chatgpt account because you forgot the password, let me show you the quick steps that you can take in order to recover your account and reset your password as well. Open up a web browser and search for chat.openai.com, or you can just search for chatgpt.com as well. If you're using a mobile phone, you'll need to first of all download the app of ChatGPT and then follow the steps from there. Now from this page, you need to click on the login button. Now depending upon how you created your account, you need to choose one of these options. So for example, if you used your phone number while creating an account of ChatGPT, click on the phone number option. If not, and if you used your email address, just type in the email address that is linked with the ChatGPT account. Once you type in your email address, click on continue, and in the next step, it's going to give you a option called forgot password. This is the exact section where you can reset your password and then recover your account as well. So click on this option and then click on continue. This way a code will be sent to the email address that is linked with your account. So just head over to your email address and then type in the code. Once you type in the code, you'll have a section of creating a new password. So just type in the new password that you want for your ChatGPT account and then again re-enter in the second box. This way you can create a new password and then click on continue. Your password will be successfully reset after this process, and you can use the new password that you just created to log into your ChatGPT account. Now, if these steps do not help out, you can either contact the support team of ChatGPT. Search for help.openai.com on a web browser, and you will have this chatting section on the bottom right of the screen, and you can exactly explain the issues to the support team of ChatGPT or OpenAI. By following these steps, your account of ChatGPT will be successfully reset and recovered. That's it for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.